Hello YouTube and welcome to another tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can execute C or C++ program under Notepad++. So are you ready? Let's get started. So the first thing to do is to install the compiler for C and C++. So for that you go to your Google engine, then you type MinGW, which stands for the Minimalist Gnu for Windows. So you hit the first link. Actually this is the C and C++ compiler for Windows, so you have to install it first. So here this is the home page, and you go at the left corner, and all time you can download here the installer. So once downloaded and installed, you get this shortcut here. So the installation is pretty simple. So after finishing the installation, we just click on this icon here. So you will be presented with this interface. And from the list of packages, you have just to select the MinGW32, GCC and G++, which are the compiler for C and C++. So I'll just left click and mark for installation. So after that I go to installation and apply changes. So I have to apply. Okay, so now the packages are being installed, so it will take some time depending on your connection. So now all the changes were applied successfully, so we just close and close the main interface. And now if you go to your Explorer, under the installation directory, which is MinGW, you can see here under the bin folder your compiler, which is actually G++. And here you can copy the path to your G++exec file. So why you need to copy this path? Because you have to add it to your Windows environment system. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do that. Actually it's pretty easy. So under Windows, for example, you go to your advanced system settings. Okay, and here under environment variables, you have to add it to your path variable. So here under the path you can click on it and edit it, and just add, as you can see here, the path to your bin folder. So it depends on the system you are using, so just keep in mind that you must add this path here to your path environment. Okay, so I'll close all that. So after that, so now we have installed our C and C++ compilers. Now we have to configure Notepad++. Okay, so I open my Notepad++ and I have to install a plugin. So I go to plugins menu, then plugin manager, then show plugin manager. And under the list of available plugins, I have to choose Notepad++exec plugin. Okay, as you can see here, so I just select it and I hit install. So we just hit yes, and of course we need to restart Notepad++. As you can see now, our plugin has been installed. So new menu has been added. Okay, so I choose this menu, which is Notepad++exec, then execute menu. In your comments, I will just paste this script. Okay, and then I choose save. I will choose, for example, as a name, you can choose whatever you want. I will just choose C and C++, for example, and you hit save. As you can see now, our script is being called C and C++. Okay, and I hit the OK button. So now I have to type here a generic C program, so I will see if it can be executed. So I'll open, for example, a generic C program. As you can see here, a generic C program, which it just displays the hello world message. So now, in order to execute this C program, all I have to do is to go to our plugins, then Notepad++exec, then execute, and I can just hit OK. So now, as you can see here in my desktop, an exec file has been created named example.exec. So if I go to my command prompt, and I go, of course, to the directory where I can find this exec program, and just I type it, example.exec. As you can see, the program now has been executed and the message hello has been displayed. So it's a very easy way in order to execute C and C++ program using Notepad++. I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.